Hey guys, Hannah here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a 5-strand braid. This is one of my favorite braids to do. It is so beautiful and it looks really complicated, but it is fairly simple. It's just like doing a 3-strand braid with a couple extra steps. I'm going to bring in my sister to help me out with this demo, and I will give you a step-by-step tutorial. So to start off, you want to split the hair into 5 sections, and I like to do this by putting up my forefingers and sticking it right in the hair, and that gives you 5 pretty even sections. Sometimes you have to adjust them a little bit, but that will give you 5 sections. I like doing it that way. You start the braid by taking the 3 strands on either side of the head. I'm taking the right side of the head, and you want to take the outside piece, the one closest to the face, and that is your first strand that you put into the middle. And you braid it once, and then you take the 2 strands that are on the outside closest to the face and you pin those away. And now you can see that that gives you 3 strands on the other side of the head, and you do the same thing. So you take the strand that is closest to the face on the other side and put it in the middle and do 1 braid, and then you pin the other side, and the exact same pattern. You take the strand that was closest to the face on the other side and you fold that to the middle. You don't have to clip the strands away, but I find it easier to keep everything nice and neat. And you just follow that pattern for the entire braid. As you get further down the hair strand, if one section becomes a little too thin and you feel like you need some more hair in one section, you can borrow some hair from another piece to make that thicker. I like to do that sometimes when one of the strands get too thin. ended up tying the hair at this point, but you can go all the way down to the bottom. It does get a little more difficult the lower you get, but I thought I would just tie it there at this point and kind of show you how it looks here. Now I'm pulling the outside pieces out a little bit. I find it looks really nice this way. So I usually start at the bottom and work my way up, and then just kind of pull where I think it needs. So that is how you do a 5-strand braid. I hope you were able to follow along. Please put in the comments below of what videos you would like to see next. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.